were able to reach about 345 young people with disabilities, inclusive of their family members in Lagos and in Abuja. Now, we were able to organize group therapy sessions where we got to give them access to psychologists and mental health experts so that they could unburden and talk about the different issues that they are facing in society that is affecting their mental health, centered around discrimination and a lot of other ills that are being, done to them. Now, we came up with this report to share with the, of course, general public regarding what we found out, the unique things we found out, about them, as well as to see how we can really put a lot of caution on pharmacies across the whole of Nigeria, ensuring that they do not give out pain medications without a proper prescription, especially for sickle cell warriors, because we're finding that quite a number of them are addicted to pain medications, and they're getting this, without prescriptions. Other recommendation as well is for the Actors Guild of Nigeria. How can we change the narrative and the stories that you're putting out there regarding people affected with dwarfism, because they're now becoming comic reliefs, and the movie industry goes out there to influence the way people think about them. Now they're at a point where people look at them and consistently laugh at them, but that's because our movies are capturing this. And regarding job opportunities that people with disabilities should also have access to, inclusive of buildings as well, having ramps, elevators, so that people who have a bit of fiscal challenge are able to access properties as well. We hope that the recommendations will be taken seriously, and also to bring about a better inclusive society.
We actually dress up many issues, and if we, not disabled, are dressing up many issues, how much more persons that are disabled? They first of all have to deal with their disability, and then they have also to deal with the stigma, those barriers that we impose on them based on our stereotypes. So we call on the general public, the government, and other organizations to come together to work for an inclusive society. Let Nigeria become an inclusive society for persons with disability, so that every person with disability will feel belonged, and that whatever that we are doing, we should involve them in decision making, because it's when we involve them in decision making that we are going to even know what are actually their challenges, because you can't stand from afar and take decisions for them. If you stand from afar and you're taking a decision for somebody, you will decide on something that is not even important to the person.
For people who cannot afford therapy, paid therapy, they could take advantage of onboarding sessions like this, like JDI and the Leprosy Mission are offering, so that they could have an avenue to be able to express themselves, because listening to them, it has a way of helping their mind settle down, that they are accepted in certain places. So I think that's a very good start, a first start. And